Awesome. I wish I would have found you before I found.
Oh, did you go through their program?
I did. Yeah, I did. I'm actually still in there. This is when I'm done with the year, and I can
Mm.
stop paying their, I think, $200 a month. So,
Ooh. What,
uh,
how were you able to get any results out of it?
a, a little bit, but they didn't teach any of the process. Their main thing, and it's kind of dried up, is the giveaway. The Facebook ad giveaway, which I did a few times, and I got a ton of leads. They weren't high quality leads, and I didn't have the process set up to process those leads. So they kind of all came in. I got to a few that I could, and they all went out. I didn't have anything set up.
Were you unable to get any support on anything deeper than that?
So they used to do weekly support calls on the ads. They kind of stopped doing that. They haven't done it for the past 6 months.
Ooh.
Um,
So you get no support?
so they have their back end Facebook group, but there's not tons of support in there. Most of it is, um, hey, you need to go back and watch the videos. They say,
Really?
we don't want you asking these questions in here. You could just go back and watch the videos. So
Wow.
it just feels like there's so much content and it's subpar content, and then there's not a lot of support to back it up.
Mm.
So,
Sorry
and
about
that
that.
that was the first thing I jumped into, to be honest. So I found, I jumped into it, and then I found, and my whole world has kind of been opened up. There's so many awesome things that I've been exposed to that I had no idea existed. So I
Yeah.
can at least credit opened up my whole world, and now I'm finding what works and what actually doesn't work. So, and that's kind of why
Yeah,
I grabbed.
I guess that's one way to learn a lesson.
Yeah, right, exactly. Expensive lesson, but I learned it nonetheless.
Yeah.
And then also, part of the reason I gravitated towards you is you're actually an agent doing it, whereas those guys, they used to be and then they stopped, and now they teach you how to be an awesome agent. So I wonder, well, if you know how to be such a great agent, how come you're still not an agent making tons of money like
Right.
you'd tell us we could do? So,
Right.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Well.
So that's where I'm at.